We clear left, clear right? All right. Nice and gentle pickup to check systems. We'll turn right here. All right, let's go. All right. Nice easy lap for now. That Osight looks pretty good right there. First pass, don't shoot. This look good. First pass, we're not shooting. We're just doing a cold pass, nice and slow.
Roger.
And pay attention where the rotors are. Oh, what's that? Got it. Okay. So you see it now? See target? That's it, right there. Look back around here. You're going to look straight at the sky. And this pole we are confident of. So very close. There's birds. We're just chasing them away. Got some wind here. Yeah, those wires are deadly. Wires and weather are deadly. So I'm going to get a little closer with the diagonal pass. I'm going to do the diagonal pass, cold range. So this is the diagonal. And we'll go kind of like this. And then I'll tilt back like this. And then you can shoot, but not too much, right? Alright. That ocean's good. Alright, next pass will be hot. We're going to fly parallel. You ready? Yep. Flyer's ready. Just don't shoot my rotor. Trigger control. I'm going to fly just in front of the car, just to let you know. Someone say something? Zach, I do not read you.
Good to go down here.
Roger, we're going hot. You got it, Andy? That's bad. Going cold. Oh. What? Yeah. I'm going to make the circles a little smaller. I'll go a little slower, give you a little time. Unfortunately, the wind will be behind us, pushing us, so it's faster than ideal. Got it. Making another pass parallel, and target's not the car. Getting ready to go hot.
You're clear.
Roger that. Going hot. Okay, now you go. Okay, going cold. Harder than it looks. Yeah, I know. I'll see if I can slow it down a little bit more. You got enough? Back switch? Yeah. Okay. We're going to try that again. Try to go a little slower. And we're on the downwind. So try slowing it down just a little bit. Slow and slow. course, the wind will be behind us, so we'll pick up some ground speed in the speed. Going hot. Hot.
Going hot.
Going cold. Good job.
Oh, it's gone.
Yeah. You want to do a diagonal? Helicopter is going to take the diagonal path. So you just, I'm going to go in a straight line and you just shoot at the 45.
Got it.
Helicopter is going hot. I'm going to go lower a little bit.
In the car.
Yep, car, both, whatever you like.
Oh, shit. That didn't go.
Helicopter will do that same path again. No worries. Take your time. My job's easy. Just let me know when you're ready.
I am ready.
Helicopter will go same pattern, going hot in 10 seconds.
You're good to go.
I got you.
Okay, you cleared?
I'm clear.
Helicopter going hot. Going down a little bit. Go ahead.
That was gone.
How'd you like that?
I like that. I didn't hear anything.
Come on, Eddie. It's all right. All right, any input from the ground?
It's just super quiet. Can't tell you're shooting.
That stupid can, it works too well.
It's so quiet. Take the can off if you want. Make it a little more.
It's too hot for me.
Too hot to remove right now. Hey, I want to do one thing where I want to, we're going to go cold when we're flying in front of the tower, okay? Helicopter's going to go cold this lap and fly south of the tower just to get a shot of a picture of the tower with our banner. Make sure it's safety. Figure off. We're going to do a little path here. You can take some shots of the ground if you like.
Are you talking about the Osight logo banner, right?
Roger, we're doing south already. Here you go. Sorry, we can do it again. One more time. We'll do the same thing again, let you set up.
Yeah, all right, we're setting up.
How you doing?
I'm doing good.
Might get some vertigo from all this stuff.
This is awesome.
Okay, cold pass south of the tower.
Cold pass.
South of the road. Low pass. Low fast. Okay. What should we do now?
I'm
Can
going
I
to
see
get
the car
back in
again?
the field. I want to get the chopper and the big banner in the same shot.
Roger, do you want to do another one?
Yep.
I'll try to fly slower this time.
I just check out it.
Okay, cold pass, cold pass. Just slow this sucker down.
GPS available.
There we go. How was that?
Beautiful.
Okay, we're gonna come back around for a hot pass. Everything looks good. Okay, one cool picture. You want to shoot the car,
That's great.
or the steel?
Are you doing one more?
We're gonna do one more hot pass for the car, the diagonal again. Range is cleared hot. We're going hot in 2 seconds. Okay, I'm gonna go here a little bit and give you a little bit more angle. Here we go. Like that. Right there.
Hot.
How much ammo do you have? Was that full?
Yeah, that was not full mag, but
Full auto?
yeah, that was full auto.
How many mags do you have left?
I got 2 more.
Okay, 2 more mags. So we'll do 2 more passes. Do we get all the shots? Any other feedback? You want to shoot the steel or angle again?
And go again.
Okay.
That's easier for me to shoot.
All right, we're going to do the same pattern, diagonal at the car, then the steel.
A view coming out.
Say again. Jesse, say again.
Do a pass where you're coming downrange, facing up.
Okay, but let's, we got 2 more mags to shoot. It's going hot.
We're hot.
Alright, so basically just turn around and come to us.
Roger, turn around, come to you. Left or right of the tower?
Right.
Roger, right. We're gonna be cold.
Got it.
I'm gonna buzz the heck out of him. Here he goes. Let's go. You loving it?
Oh yeah.
Sweet.
Anything else? You got another
Ready to
mag?
go.
I got 1 more mag.
We got 1 more mag.
Might as well dump it. Go ahead.
Full auto.
Got it.
I'm hot. Same pattern, going to full auto, range hot in 2 seconds.
Good to go.
Gonna make a little bit more this time. Watch the rotor. Go ahead. That was it?
Oh yeah.
That was it?
That was it.
30?
Well, I didn't dump the whole mag.
Oh, okay. Okay, Roger, helicopter coming back down to the LZ.
Roger.
What's that?
Good to go. This gun's going safe.
Okay, Roger.
Oh, dropped around.
What? You dropped around.
There's a red around in the ground.
Oh, we gotta come around this side to land because the wind is behind us. All right, good job.
Oh, fun.
That was fun, huh? I had just as much fun, honestly. peasy.
That hot.
Yeah, don't burn anything.
It's not that hot.
If any guy comes this way, wave him off. Get the hell away. Good job.
Great.
We got all the audio too. Yeah, never dream you'd be shooting from a helicopter at Osight, huh?
Oh, no, not at all.
Awesome.
Low.
Oh, okay.
Road.
All right, shut down.
Low. Fuel pressure. Low.